Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading video. This is Salah speaking, and today I'm going to apply the 20 pips a day strategy. It is my very famous strategy on this channel, and I believe most of you guys are already aware about the rules of that strategy. If you don't know about it yet, please go to my channel and watch the videos about 20 pips a day strategy. Trust me, it's gonna be very helpful and insightful for you. So right now, the core CPI news are out, and I'm actually planning to trade the high volatility market right now. The market right now has a lot of volume that we can actually start trading on. Therefore, I believe we need to look right now for the strongest support and resistance levels. Currently, the pound USD is actually showing a strong support exactly right here at 1.35297. Most likely the pound USD is actually going to bounce right on that support. Look at that. The market is already showing reaction to that level of a previous support level, which means that most likely the pound USD is actually going to getting ready to make the bullish reversal at the moment. Actually, it is. Let me just get back to the pound USD here on this chart, and 15-minute time frame. And yes, actually I'm late. I'm so late. 8 pips late. Let's see. Wait. Yes. Let's wait for the perfect moment. Actually, this is not really a safe kind of trading. I mean, it's just really appealing for me to trade right now. I just can't ignore it, how the market is so active right now, especially on the 4-hour time frame. We can see clearly that the market has reached this level of a support at 1.35271 and seems like it's reacting to the pressure from that support level. So therefore, I'm going to place the buy order right now, and I'm done waiting. I'm so done waiting. I'm not gonna waste it anymore. Let me just first set my stop loss to be about 15 pips, which is enough. Yes, investing $186 is more than enough in this trade. Meanwhile, the take profit level will be placed exactly right here at the nearest resistance to my entry or support as well. So yeah, yes, perfect. We are running right now in a profit. Actually, I'm a little bit nervous. It's not really my style to trade when the market is so much active like this and moving and having a lot of volume, but it's just so appealing, and I decided I want to take this step in front of you. If we just have placed the trade right here at that support level, that would have been awesome. However, it's going well so far. Currently running in 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's about to hit the take profit level. $117 of profit. Fine, perfect, fantastic. I'm happy with that. Okay, guys, this was dangerous one. I admit it was really a dangerous one. I just got so much hyped about it. I should never do that, especially that I'm actually doing it on a live trading video and on the live account, of course. So yes, that was dangerous, very risky one. But however, I believe in the power of support and resistance, and therefore I decided to go for it and just start the afternoon with a decent profit of $116, which is really great. Okay, let's now look for the next good setup or decent one. So right now, actually, I'm moving between the pairs, and currently I am spotting the EuroCAD. The EuroCAD currently on the 4-hour time frame is facing a strong key support level, as we can see right here at 1.44764. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can see also that the market is moving like this on this support trend line, which means that most likely the EuroCAD will continue the climb from this level. Let me now move to the 15-minute time frame. So after confirming the direction on the bigger time frame, such as the 4-hour or daily chart or even 1-hour time frame, we right now have to go to the smaller time frame, such as 15-minute time frame, or 5-minute time frame. Even 1 minute is fine sometimes, to decide where exactly we are going to place our buy order. So I'm going to place the buy order exactly right now. Perfect. The first thing is to place the stop loss. then we can consider the profit. Okay, 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 okay. We are losing so far, but let's wait and see. Yes, okay. I just need to explain to you the reason behind this trade. I just want to make sure. Yes, fantastic. All right. All right, so let me just now explain to you the reason behind this entry. 1 second. What is this? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I just received a message and I didn't understand it. Anyway, the reason behind this is this entry right here. Why did I choose this level to place my trade? First of all, if we check on the left side, we can see clearly that this was a strong key support level. Also, we can see that the market has reacted to this level every single time it has visited this support level at 1.44764. Every single time the market has reached this level, it has reacted to it. Therefore, we can notice right now, since we are having here the support trend line, that this level of a support level matches up with this support trend line as well, which means this was the cross line right here where the horizontal support have actually met the support trend line. That being said, it's actually a good point to start buying the EuroCAD. I believe it's going to be a profitable trade, but we're just waiting to see how it's going to close. So this current candle, the 15-minute candle, it still has 3 minutes and 25 seconds on its lifespan time. So therefore, we can't decide anything until these 3 minutes pass. Which means, if this bearish candle has closed as a full bar like that, then I'm going to close the trade with the loss, of course. However, if this candle has closed with a small body and long tail at the bottom, this means that we can keep this trade running and hoping for a reversal. So far, things are not going well. Thankfully, I have just made $116 profit from the pound NZD, I think. But however, from the pound USD. But we are now investing the profit we have just made on the current trade. That is one of the strategies that you always have to do. For example, you have, for example, let's say $2,000 in your capital, and you have opened a trade and you have made, for example, $200 from, let's say, for example, from buying the Euro USD. Now on the next trade, you are planning, for example, to short the NZD CHF, for example. Then how much are you going to invest on that on the second trade? So from the first trade, you have made a pure $200 profit. Now, from the second trade, how much are you planning to invest? You should actually invest at least, maximum, the whole profit you have just made from the first trade. So meaning your stop loss for this second trade should be actually $200. Actually, this is like the worst money management plan, but at least it's a plan. And I'm telling you, it's the maximum that you can place your stop loss at. I prefer actually if you invest a dedicated amount from the profit that you have made. For example, the profit you have made was $200. Then let's just invest $100 on the next trade. Meaning the second trade will be placed with a stop loss of just $100. Now, let's assume that you have made the profit. So totally you will end up with $300 profit, right? Again, I prefer if you can keep the same strategy, which means invest a dedicated amount from the profit that you have made on the third trade. And preferably to stay in good profit, meaning you can invest another $200. Meaning if this one has lost, you will still end up with $100. The $100 is still there. My point here is always keep your capital far from being at risk as much as possible. You will risk your capital only on the first trade. However, if you kept making profits, please keep your capital far from the risk as much as possible. Even if you kept losing, just try to keep it far as much as possible. So anyway, sorry for the long speech. However, I'm just actually trying to calm myself while watching the EuroCAD candle, and it seems like we have now 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and this candle is gonna close like this. That's actually a good sign. That's actually a good sign, because the candle has closed exactly right here at the lowest level of the support at 1.44742. It's okay. We can see the candle goes against our direction for some time. It's normal. Just wait for some time and you will see the candle hopefully reverses and going in profit. Let me just check the 30-minute time frame. All right, it's all good, my friends. It's all good so far. We're having here a very decent and strong support level that we can of course rely on. So anyway, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with the EuroCAD. Unfortunately, things did not go as planned, and unfortunately also we have lost about $150 from this trade, wiping the profits that we have just made, and lost $40 extra to the profit that was just made. It's totally fine. It's totally fine. I will show you, my friends, that we can always recover any losses happened. Let me just show you. We can recover always, and I will prove it to you. Please don't give up at all. That is Forex, and you have to live with the losses if you want to stay in this business. So let me just tell you. Right now here, we are still on the EuroCAD. I'm going to revenge this thing here, and I'm going to recover right from this pair. So we are having here a strong support level, which is clearly a strong key support level. And I bet that most likely the EuroCAD will reverse exactly right from that level. Now, I don't want anyone to think that I'm a gambler or just someone who is just playing around, hoping and just praying for the reversals. I have more than 7 years experience in this field, and I know exactly the patterns that can give us actually a good and decent profit. So let me just tell you. What most likely is going to happen right now is we are having here a support trend line. That support trend line has been broken out from with this strong bearish breakout candle, and the market will keep going down till it reaches the same level where we have started drawing our support trend line. After that, the market will actually make a bounce. It's going to be retesting the broken support trend line, and after that it might continue the fall. However, I'm gonna actually place my sell order, or sorry, buy order exactly at that level where from the support where the market will start the retest process. It's actually an old trick I'm using, and it has confirmed to be a very profitable one. And always, I think it's always good to make one step ahead from the market. So if the market is preparing to make the retest of that level, some traders, what they are doing, they are just waiting for the market to reach that level to retest the broken support level. What I'm doing is I'm going along with the market. I'm telling the market that I know what you will do. I know how you are going to behave. I know your next move. I know that you will bounce right here from that support level and going to reach that level of a support. And from here, we can actually start selling the EuroCAD. However, until then, I need actually to pause the recording, and I'll open the trade once the market reaches that level of a support, and let's see together how this trade will go. All right, a good setup has been spotted right here on the PoundAUD, and the trade is going to be placed right now. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let me just explain to you the reason behind of this entry. First of all, if we check the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame shows us that currently the pair is actually facing a very strong and decent support level. Now, this most likely confirms that the PoundAUD will continue the rise from that level, and I believe it's gonna continue the rise till at least it reaches that level of a resistance after 31 pips, and it's going to provide me $266 of profit, which is really fine. So again, we're having here this level of support, and the market seems like it's actually reversing from that level and will eventually reach that level of a resistance. Now, of course, that being analyzed on the 4-hour time frame. Let's now confirm this by looking at the 15-minute time frame. And now, on the 15-minute time frame, we're having two kinds of confirmation. Number one, the pair has made here a strong bullish breakout from that low level of a resistance, and seems like the pair has already retested that level of a resistance, as we can see together. This tail right here we can see, let me just zoom in so you can see it. This tail confirms that the market has already fallen all the way and retested that broken resistance, meaning now it has created a new support level. Let's call it support number 1. And right now, the other way of confirming this entry, and the reason why I had to place the entry right here exactly, is because right here, my friends, as well, we can see that the market has created also a support level. Interesting, which means that this support will be most likely respected again, and the market will reverse exactly right from that level of a support. All of that, along of course with the high volume right now and the bullish movement that we're currently seeing on the PoundAUD, it confirms that the market will continue the fall. I really don't think that the market has any chance to make a bearish reversal at the moment. Currently, we are running in $54 of profit. Let me check that EuroCAD again. Was it EuroCAD? EuroCAD, yes, EuroCAD. Oh, it has already reversed. Oh my goodness. Oh, we missed the chance. Look at that, look at that. Let me just explain to you what just happened. So, oh shit, it has already reversed. It has already reversed. Look at that. That is what I call a perfection actually. The market has created right here the support level, and the candles has already reversed right from that support. Oh my god, we are in $100 of profit. Nice. Okay, let me just finish. So we can see that the market has reversed as I had told you, and the market right now has went all the way retesting that broken support trend line. If we check the 5-minute time frame, we can see it clearly. So what I have said was accurate and correct, but sadly the market has reversed just few pips before it reaches my desired entry. This is a bummer. Perfect. Anyway, for the PoundAUD, I'm actually so excited today. I don't know why. I just feel like so much hyped about trading. I don't know. The market is just giving us a lot of good setups, and I just really feel like I want to trade all of them. So anyway, PoundAUD is going in a very good profit. I feel bad about missing the EuroCAD, the EuroCAD. I need to find something else to put down this fire inside of me. I need to put it out. I need something. Pound USD again. No need. I need something really. I need something here. How about the gold? The gold, by the way, from the midweek analysis, has fallen all the way for about 133 pips of profit, currently running in 35 pips of profit. So maybe we need to make a deal of the day about this one. However, let me just check. I mean, it's so crazy right now to trade the gold with this long tails and wicks right here. The market is moving in a very high volume and so much volatility here. Therefore, I think it's not wise at all to open any trade on the gold. I'm just really trying to find something, and unfortunately, we were running in $105 of profit for the PoundAUD, currently running in 48 only. I hope things will keep going well. I really want to recover the losses happened right here in front of you. And Euro GBP. And again, Euro JPY, Euro NZD, Euro NZD. The Euro NZD is actually showing something interesting. Actually, let me just go to the 15-minute time frame. And let me just confirm, there was no breakout happened from that level of a resistance. The market hasn't yet broke out from that level of a resistance. However, it's actually gonna be a gambling to open the trade right now. No. That's not the right way. That's not the right way. I don't want to do that. We have to wait for a better moment. Yes, that's actually gonna be better. Let's just wait for another good moment. So therefore, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later once I find another good trade, and I will show you also what will gonna happen with the PoundAUD. Okay, so we are back in profit with $107 on the PoundAUD, but however, I'm really looking at the Pound USD again, and my hands are itchy. I need to do something again risky, and I know I shouldn't be doing this. I should never be doing this. I know, I really know, But however, this is the only setup that I can find which can provide me a quick profit right now, to show you that we can recover. Oh my god, yes, $121. Perfect. All right, so let's see what we can do next with the pound AUD. Okay, we can make the stop loss placed after just 10 pips, no more than that. And again, I'm in the gold. I need to change this. Let me just go back to the pound USD. And again, guys, I'm telling you, what I'm going to do right now is really wrong and it's risky. And you have to consider that this is not really the right way, not exactly the 20 pips a day strategy at all. It's just one of the methods that I'm using to trade after the news. And thankfully, most of the time, they do work. All right, so I'm just waiting for the perfect moment to place my trade right here on the pound USD. We can place the stop loss to be just about 10 pips only, no more. And actually, I'm focusing on this support level right here. This is the, yes, exactly, yes, perfect. The market is almost there. Perfect, fantastic, fine. By the way, $140 profit from the pound AUD. We can close the trade. Actually, that is fine by me. That's really fine by me. That's fine. So we have recovered almost the entire losses that I have made since the beginning of this video. And right now we can be so far in profit, $55 of profit. Fantastic. The pound USD is reversing as I have thought. I really don't know how to explain what happened. Sometimes actually after the news, when you see the market creates here long tails at a strong support level like this, I would say like 85% of the time the market will actually be respecting that level of a support. These long tails right here are telling us that this support level is most likely going to be respected. Of course, you can never be doing this while the news are on. You have to do this only after the release of the news, not during the news. By the way, I forgot to place my stop loss to be only 9 pips, equivalent to $115, which means I'm still gonna be in a good profit. Meanwhile, the take profit level will be right here at the nearest resistance to the entry, which means I'm aiming about $200. I would say $170 profit from this trade. So actually, it's kind of stressful one, but I believe we will make a good profit in the end. We just have to wait for the market to reverse at that level of a support. So therefore, let me know, please pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade, and hopefully it's gonna be a good ending. So I just needed to explain to you why I'm certainly sure, and very sure actually, that this trade will end in a good profit. Actually, I need to explain to you a little bit about support and resistance. So please guys, bear with me. So as you can see, I have actually lowered the line of the maximum where the pair might go against my direction, and I have placed it right here on the lowest level of the support. And it was somehow close to the stop loss level. So I just had to lower the stop loss level for about, I think about 1 or 2 pips only extra, just to be sure that everything is going well. However, let me tell you why I'm 100% sure that this trade will be ended in a decent profit and we will make $170 profit from this trade. Now, let me just explain to you something about support and resistance. When you are having, for example, a pattern that looks like this pattern usually contains a level of a support right here and right here, and these levels can actually tell us where the market might reverse. Meaning, if we are seeing here as a resistance level, we have to look at the left and we will find that there was a broken support exactly right here, and we can see that the market has reversed also right here, and if we check on the left, there was also another support. Now, this current pattern, let me just tell you what I see here right here. Now, what we can see right here is we had right here the support level, and this was a strong bearish breakout candle, and right now we are having here this bullish candle. Right now I have placed my trade exactly at that support level right here, but if we check the pattern right here, there is not a single support or resistance on the way, meaning we're having here only a support level and here a resistance. There is absolutely zero levels on the midway between these two levels, meaning the market will continue the rise smoothly till it reaches the take profit level. Don't be worried if you see the candle goes against your direction for some time. That is of course normal. That's of course how the market behaves, we have to understand the behavior of the market for these levels. So meaning, if for example, if we had these support tails, these tails right here, if they were smaller tails, if they were actually like this, for example, just like that, then we can assume that the market will reach this level of a previous support only, and after that it might continue the fall. But thankfully we don't have any tails right here. That the edge or the lowest level of the tails lies exactly right here at the lowest level of the support, which means that most likely right now the candle, as you can see now, is going down. I'm not worried at all. I'm 100% sure that it will continue the rise right from that level of a support, and there's absolutely nothing to stop this candle from the rise. Nothing, absolutely nothing. So anyway, so far it's going in loss of $54, as you can see, which is fine by me. Let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And check this out, we are in a very good profit so far, 150, 60, okay, it's gonna hit the take profit level. I'm gonna close it right now. Perfect, $164 have been made from this trade. I'm very happy. Everything went well, everything was really great, and the ability of reading the market has surely paid off, and I'm really so proud and happy for the results that we have made on this video. I'm not really sure how much profit we have made, but we have made I think a decent profit. I think no less than $200. So actually I'm not sure what to say at the end, because this was actually a different kind of trading and it wasn't really my plan. I was hoping for a better setups, but this was somehow risky. Sometimes actually it might not work, but I admit that I was lucky today. But however, the proper money management and the ability of reading the market and my long time experience in this field has surely paid off and has surely helped me to be aware about what kind of setups that might fail and what setups might work very well. This was actually one of those setups, and that has actually paid off. As I told you, my friends, there was absolutely nothing that will stop the pound USD from the rise. There was absolutely no support or resistance right here in the middle to stop this candle from climbing its way up all the way to the resistance at 1.545472. So I believe it was somehow helpful and educational live trading session. I'm gonna stop for now and I will continue trading after like 1 hour. However, I think it was very educational one and informative, and I hope you guys will learn something from this live trading session. I highly recommend you guys to keep watching this one over and over to get idea about the patterns that you have to look for. So until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.